Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you how to block ads on Android without any app. If you want to block ads on your Android phone without any apps, you just need to follow these steps. First, open your phone settings, and here open your connections or internet settings. As I have network and internet, so tap on it. And here you will get another option which is Private DNS. Just tap on it. And here you have to select private DNS provider host name. Tap here, and here you have to enter dnsadguard.com. Just enter it, dnsadguard.com. Then tap on save, and now you have successfully blocked ads on your Android. If it doesn't work, so you just have to restart your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.